Good day, guys. You are welcome back to ID Mathematics Academy. The point of consideration today is percentages. Before we go on to percentage, I want to enjoin you to please subscribe. Do you enjoy the class at all? If you do, please subscribe. Just deliberately click on the subscribe button to make it, acceptable in the Google world. Google will not recommend it to the people in the world if it does not have sufficient subscription. If people do not show that they enjoy it, they like it, and the only way you can show you like it is by subscribing and by liking it. Please kindly do that. It doesn't cost you anything. You are not going to be charged for doing that. So please do it. Today we are considering percentages. What do we mean by percentages? Let's consider the word percent. I write them separately. Percentages is just to make it a noun. So percentages, plural noun. But this word is called out from percent. Per means divided by. Cent means 100. Therefore, anytime you see 5%, it means 5 divided by 100. Are you following? Since per means divided by and cent means 100. So we have 5 divided by 100. Do we understand? So, and this percent can be rewritten as this symbol, which makes this to be 5%. Do we understand? So, wherever you see 5 with this symbol, it means 5%, which means 5 divided by 100. So, another one is 20%. This symbol means percent, which means 20 divided by 100. Do you understand? So, let's consider some examples in the use of percentage. Now, we want to learn how to express percentages as fraction. Example 1. Express the following percentages as fraction. Question A, 22%. What does it mean? It means 22 divided by 100, as I've rightly explained to you. And you try as much as possible to reduce it to its lowest term. The common factor to 22 and 100 is 2. So, which will make it to be 11 times 2 over 50 times 2. So, 2 will take care of 2. Answer will be 11 over 50. So, that is 22% as fraction. 11 over 50. B, 18%. To fraction, we mean 18 divided by 100. Then, common factor to 18 and 100 is 2. So we write 9 times 2. We break 18 into the reasonable factor that will make us reduce it to the lowest term, as we write 50 times 2 as well. 2 we take care of 2, we have 9 over 50. And lastly, on that question, 35% means 35 over 100. That is 35 divided by 100. The common factor to 35 and 100 is 5. So we have 7 times 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Also, this will be 20 times 5. 20 times 5 is 100 as well. So 5 takes out of 5, we have 7 over 20 as our final answer. Example 2. Express the following percentages as fraction. Here, 1.5% will be expressed as 1.5 divided by 100. That's the meaning. Now, address the numerator first, or change the whole thing to 1 whole number 1 over 2 divided by 100 over 1. See what I write? You change this division line to symbol, division symbol, as 100 will be over 1 here. And if you don't put anything under the 100, it's the same thing. So now change 1.5 to improper fraction, which is 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1, 3 over 2. Now, this division sign, change it to its inverse. Its inverse is multiplication. Inverse of division is multiplication. And when you do that, you change the divisor, which is 100 over 1, you change it also to its inverse. What is the inverse of 100 over 1? That is 1 over 100. Do you understand? Good. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 100, that is 200. And that is how to change it to fraction. Do you understand? Good. So we go to question B. 12.5%. It is expressed to be 12.5 divided by 100, which is re-expressed as 12.5 divided by 100 over 1. This is just restructuring, it's the same thing. So converting 12.5 to improper fraction, that is 2 times 12, that's 24, plus 1, 25 over 2. The division sign now changes to multiplication, while the divisor 100 over 1 turns to 1 over 100. And that is 25 times 1, that is 25. 2 times 100, that is 200. To reduce 25 over 200 to its lowest term, we know that 25 goes in 25 one time. 25 in 200 is 8 times. We have 8, 25. 25 in 8 places inside 200. And that is that. Question C. 13 whole number 1 over 10%, which means 13 whole number 1 over 10 divided by 100. And that is 13 whole number 1 over 10 divided by 100 over 1. Changing this, it will be 10 times 13, that's 130, plus 1, 131 over 10 times 1 over 100. And finally, we have 131 over 1,000. And nothing, 131 and 1,000 do not have common factors, whereby the fraction can be reduced to the lowest term. Now we come to another important subheading under percentages, which is expressing decimal and common fractions as percentages. Example 1. Express the following as percentages. Question here, 7 over 20. To express 7 over 20 as percentage, we just multiply that fraction 7 over 20 by 100%. So we now rewrite this as 7 over 20 times, you break 100 into factors such that 20 will be part of it. So that is 20 times 5%. 20 times 5% is the same thing as 100%. But what's the essence of breaking it into factors? You see now. Easily we cut this without painting our book as students. Easily you cut this and you have 7 times 5% left. 7 times 5 is 35, so our answer will be 35%. Therefore, 7 over 20 in fraction is 35% in percentage. Question B. 2.5. To express 2.5, 2.5 is decimal fraction. To express it in percentage, we just multiply it by 100%. And don't forget, as I have taught you before, anytime you multiply a number, whether decimal fraction or a whole number, by powers of 10, what do we refer to as powers of 10? 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, million, like that. They are referred to as powers of 10. So anytime we multiply a number by powers of 10, the decimal point in the number will be shifted backward in the number of the powers of 10. 10 is 1 power of 10. 100 is 2 powers of 10. 1,000 is 3 powers of 10. Now, we want to multiply 2.5 by 100%. So you shift this decimal point backward twice. That is 2.5. Behave as if you put many zeros at the back, which are the same as the 2.5. So if we are now shifting the decimal point back twice, it will be 1, 2. That means it will be here. That we will stop. So it will be 250%. Do we understand? If you write 250.0%, it's the same, but you don't need it. So 2.5 times 100% is 250%. So we go to question C. This is question B. We go to question C. Question C is 3 over 4. We want to express it as percentage. We multiply it by 100%. Anything you want to convert to percentage, just multiply it by 100%. So, which means 3 over 4 times 4 times 25%. I break 100% into 4 times 25%, which is the same thing as 100%. Why do I do that? So that I can confidently clear the 4 under. So easily you see this 4 cancelling this 4. 3 times 25 gives 75%. And lastly, for D, 0.72 in percentage will be times 100%. So this is decimal being multiplied by 100%. The decimal point will be shifted backward in the number of the powers of the 10, which is 2. So it will be 1, 2. It is shifted back totally. So it is 72%. And that is the solution to the questions in example 1. Let's consider example 2 under this subheading. Express the following as percentages. Question A. 1 number 1 over 10 as percentage is as good as multiplying the 1 number 1 over 10 by 100%. Times 100%, which is 10 times 1, that's 10, plus 1, it gives 11 over 10, times 100%. Now, break 100% into factors such that the denominator here will reflect there. So we have 11 over 10 times 10 times 10%. So 10 will take care of 10. Here we have 11 times 10. That is 110%. That is that about question A. Now question B, which is 8 over 25 in percentage is times 100%, which is 8 over 25 times, we break this 100% into factors such that 25 will reflect there for easy cutting. So we have 25 times 4%. 25 times 4% is 100%. So this 25 will take care of this 25. We now have 8 times 4%. 8 times 4 is 32. So put the percentage. So 8 over 25 is 32 percentage when it is converted to percentage. And finally, question C, one number 1 over 2 times 100%. Because we want to convert this fraction 1.5 to percentage, we have to multiply it by 100%. Anything you want to convert back to percentage must be multiplied by 100%. So this is 3 over 2, that is 2 times 1, that's 2, plus 1, 3 over 2, times, I want to break 100 into factors such that 2 will reflect there. That will be 2 times 50%. So 2 will easily take care of 2. 2 will cut 2 here, as you can see, remaining 3 times 50%. 3 times 50% is 150%, and that is the end.